Menha kakatnya tarik unai lur arhaja arpusau ka emtak kapen pau ya ke jingkemen bat ka pedang subha ya kawai na kiken hun ki kena puli jong ka National Service Scheme jong ka Martin Luther Christian University kelawan yu kejat ha ka krem dam ha maumlu ban pelong ya ka cleaning drive ni kata ka jingpen khui pensuba ya ka ni ka krem ka badan nam ha ka perthai lingba ka jing itnat ka jongka bat ha ka don ka moon mill hanging garden stalactite bat kiwi kiba lasyam da kesentias bahkan ni ka krem kaladon palat sawaja aspa snem menchua ni kata ke ancient age ka bangi ong ya ka bangi tip menta kum ka miklian age maum lu kiv kiblayo bandon lang ha kani kasngi kilong userdar ka ilaka maumlu ba penskam kharwan lang usherman ka mtax ba ps lendo usketri ka mtax ba Bansan Kupar Lengdo ba sampai dekhar kumjuru i Profesor TK Kharbamon Vice Chancellor ke MLCU Program Officer ke NSS ba Rolling Stone Kharkongor ba Sanpu Saungot ki kena puli na ke Martin Luther University Kiledon lang ban chimenta hakaji penkut petsuba ya kani ka krem dam kabadan hamomlu Teha kani ka sngi shua ban rung ba ban penkut ya kani ka krem kaladon shua ke jing pesothu halo ke jing don kam shua ban penkut ya ka namar ha kani ka krem lasya tangar pongut kibala ban rung ya kani lapen syai da usketri ka mtax ba bansan kupar lendo bala penya ya ke jilang ka belengkot da program officer ka NSS ba Rolling Stone Kharkongor
Dari lima wilayah pedang Sungai ini ke universiti baruan senis po senang jopi balai yang neka cleaning drive te terkatahi dengan ada Rolling Stone Kharkongor dengan ada bapet yang neka NSS na po universiti te hani dalam bagi mem visi vice chancellor mem baman te mem TK baman te hani apa dengan kod
Layo ya ki jingkren lengkot da ka bapdiang subhaya baro ki kena puli barangkat ki nong pek nong kmi jong kani ka MLCU ki blashim ya kani ka sinjam ban wan ban penku ya kani ka krem da userdar ka ilaka ba penskam kharwan lang
kom by Sachalor ba baca kapol ini di barangkat apa buat investment ka ba ki sampai dari kam dia dah menyeru nak ada jogi Pia Swendo dari Umade Board of National dan Board di Chairman of Tax dan di Domain Society bahwa Sam di Secretary Domain Tax dan Board di jadi account nasional sepanjang dekat. Kemudian semua di bawah di students yang Martin Luther dalam pelaj yang Board bahwa Indonesia National Jogi dan berta balai yang ada cleaning drive. Tidak kalian ini lah, kalian juga lah yang pun kau dari Selangor, baik kuat bertolong ya dari program vocational jogi. Tinggi sekolah punya program bok, kedua tak vocational, bagaimana jogi bila ya, dan yang di komisi yang mau, bagaimana yang di kam. Saya punya vocational jogi atau bagaimana ya, kita nak antara dia jadi, nanti berpesuku, nanti ada di saya, dan bagaimana untuk bagaimana kuat dan supaya semua yang kita halu jami kali-kali kalau kampung nak kita kena sosial lain tu ni mohon kita jadi ketika kau jadi suan ngah kalau cuma nak dia supaya piparo kemudian mentan di bahasa Jawa atau saluran kibai bisa berada kapor banyak student kemudian orang sebuah kapor dan tidak pernah dia sudah kalau sekarang berada di sini kalau kasih kalau saja demam nak kata jungi beliau yang kedua beliau berfikir tamu ini apa ya berkuat ya kan ika saya nak jungi kantam kemudian juga benda kantam kami drive apa yang buat memblokir ini ada jungi kecil dia roh atau terang atau ada got kemudian berbaik kalau kecil mentua dan benda jungi orang tiap siapa kita juga nampak dan terang ini ada juga yang kerjaan nama yang berbaik ini bangsa berusaha ya jika terhamnya harus lewat energi komentar tapi dikit dia komisi
Layoru ya ki jingkren balingkot na usketri ke mtax ba basan ko palendo hakaba ila batai katu kat ni jepang ke jingkordo jong ka kram bakumnu bangin lekhui ba barsumar bahaya ka barchushu ila ong
the students of MLCU and along with some faculty members if they're here along with the architects of the Maumlu Cave. We are very pleased to gather here for this short program in order to sensitize first and foremost, to sensitize about the cleaning, especially how to keep our locality clean and our surrounding clean. So after the discussion with Baroling, because he told me that they want to come for the cleaning drive in the village, but I told him that since yesterday we have been from the side of the village along with the Maunglo Caving Guides, we have started the program to clean the cave before the caving season starts, because the caving season will be starting from the month of October, where the tourists and researchers and travelers who are enthusiastic to enter the cave will get a chance to visit the cave. So that now is the time from October onwards where we will start the caving season. So I told him that it is better to clean the cave because we will have also another round of a cleaning drive where we usually do once in a year the cleaning drive of the whole village. So maybe during that time also we will be pleased if your university can come and join hands together when we are doing another round of the cleaning drive of the village. So just a small information and introduction about the cave. I guess most of you must have known and you must have heard about the Meghalayan age that we have derived from this cave, and especially we are one of the 100 International Union Geological Sciences sites of the whole world. So he's one of the 100. So we are very fortunate to be the guardian. We as a village, we are very fortunate to be the guardian and the caretaker of this cave. So after receiving such a fame, we didn't stop there, but we have tried our level best to meet with different experts, to meet with different researchers, to pursue the study about the cave, so that the research will not stop. So we have joined hands together with GSI, with different organizations like MA, just to get more information and more study about the cave. So today we would be very pleased, we would be very happy if some of you can go inside the cave, because I guess from the caving guides also we don't have not much equipment, and at the same time also just to protect the cave atmosphere inside the cave, we don't want to allow so many people inside the cave in order that the cave atmosphere is not disrupted. So because I hope you understand, if too much of breathing and carbon dioxide inside the cave also will not help with the formation of the cave. So we will allow only a certain number of people, for those who
Bat layuk katukat ni kijingkren na Profesor TK Kharbamon, ibla penpau ba idap da kijingkemen banyadan lang hakani kasngi bat khamtam baka snong mamlu lemba ke MTax kala priang subha ya ki khna puli jong ke MLCU bat pen khuj pun suba ya kani ka krem bat chuchu ila penpau da kaba ila ong.
So we were speeding the car, but then I was telling Balong, please don't go too fast. It's very scary. Anyways, I'm so glad to be part of this small get-together. Aku beli ramba baru berang-berang. Bila I dengan lagi students yang ini Martin Luther bagi nation benda, hang ni kan jadi clear, ban tip cipang kum berkoi, ya ka inang salang nak kamtam. We're so proud that we have a legacy in the caves, and we are really extremely grateful to the Shnong and to all our bars over here for allowing us to be part of this program, the cleaning drive. And I also take this opportunity to thank Sir Roling for taking the initiative. He's a very dynamic, very active person. And we're very proud that he is the leader of the NSS unit in our university. We know that under him, everything will go well. This is just the beginning. For so many years, we have been inactive as an NSS unit of the university. But with Bar Rolling now, I think things will move forward. So thank you, Sir Rolling, for taking the initiative and contacting the right people and the right place to create an awareness of how important it is to be clean, how important it is to preserve our legacies, to preserve our traditions and cultures. You know, as Bart said, we're not allowed to go in. Many of us are not allowed to go in. But I hope when we come again, you know, we will ripple, you know, slowly, slowly. We will all have an opportunity to go inside the caves. How many people will be allowed to go in? 20. So how many are we, Maroni? 34. So 20 will go in now and 34 will go in the next time. Right? So for those, I've been inside the caves in Vietnam. You know, they call the tunnel rats. I don't think the caves here in Mount Maya are as small as the tunnel rats. They call the tunnel rats in Vietnam. And that's how the Vietnamese fought against the American soldiers. But those tunnels, they are about 8 stories down and it opens up into the sea. And if you want to get to the tunnel, you just have to go straight because the tunnels are very small. So you have to go like this and then there's a beautiful layout down. So our caves are also beautiful. Those are man-made, these are natural. So we are happy to be part of this initiative and we are thankful to the Shnong because we would like to be part again when we have the whole village cleaning drive. I would love to be part. Okay, so I will come again. I'm not prepared to go to the cave today. But I would like to go to the cave again. And when the Shnong does that cleaning drive, I would really want to be part of it together with my students.